Welcome back to The Street Architect. We are back with another absolute banger of a tour, and today we are stepping into something truly legendary. Zillow just dropped a listing that is straight up wild. We're talking about Bellagio Falls, an incredible preserve-backed Lake Austin estate right here in Austin, Texas. This compound is packing 6 beds, 7 baths, and spreads over a massive 9,025 square feet, sitting on nearly 6 private acres with about 600 pristine waterfront. The asking price? A cool $20 million. So the big question is this place worth the hype? Let's find out.
Let's kick things off with the outside view. And guys, this is what peak luxury looks like. You get nearly 6 acres of pure privacy. And the biggest flex? This property sits right on the water with long lake views, a 2-story boat dock, and a series of cascading waterfalls integrated right into the natural landscape. The soundscape and visual focal point here are unmatched. The lawn and garden area are so massive, you'll physically wear yourself out walking it. But your vibe will never get tired. Your guests are going to lose their minds over this. Now, let's step inside. Dreamers, as you can see, this home is exceptionally spacious and open. You've got gorgeous inlaid Texas mesquite flooring, and the layout blends Texas ranch character with refined Santa Barbara architectural influence. You can literally soak in the nature right from your living room. And it doesn't stop there. You've got multiple sitting areas, including an outdoor spot right next to the brand new resort-style pool for your morning coffee in the sun. Whether you need a cozy corner to chill alone or a formal space to host high-stakes meetings, this house has a room for it. Now, as I always say, the kitchen is the soul of every house, because your soul isn't happy unless your stomach is full. Let's check out this chef's kitchen. It flows right off the main living area, featuring dual kitchen islands with built-in bar seating. If you've got a massive family or a house full of guests, you also have a formal dining setup right there. And of course, you've got an outdoor barbecue kitchen setup by the pool for epic weekend pool parties and family get-togethers. All right, let's move to the ultimate relaxation zones, the bedroom wing. As I mentioned at the start, we've got 6 gorgeous bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. These rooms feel deeply connected to nature, featuring organic wood elements, custom pillars, and massive windows that frame those stunning greenbelt and water views. The bathrooms scream high-end luxury. Plus, check out this custom bunk bedroom setup. It's perfect for kids or younger guests, offering 4 built-in bunks in a massive, beautifully designed space. Now, let's hit the best part of the tour, entertainment and recreation. This house is fully loaded. We're talking about a dedicated poker room, a massive billiards room complete with an official-size shuffleboard, and a stunning private home theater featuring premium reclining seating for movie nights. And when you head back outside toward the water, it gets even crazier. You've got an infinity edge pool, a watchtower-style architectural feature right by the water where you can park your boat at your 2-story dock, and a custom fire pit area for late-night hangouts under the Texas stars. Between the protected greenbelt across the water and the mature oak and heritage pecan trees anchoring the grounds, this place is an absolute masterpiece.
So if you had $20 million to burn, are you pulling the trigger on this Lake Austin masterpiece? Is it a cop or a drop? Drop a comment down below and let me know your take. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It keeps us hyped to bring you these insane tours. If you loved the video, smash that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.